Before you remodel your bathroom, watch this. When your bathroom is 100 years old, this is what you're expecting behind the walls. This is what's going to actually look behind the walls. Big piece of things, tiles, wire laths, and this is what's going to look like when it comes to the plumbing. Look at this. Look at the floor. You need to really fix this floor from here. See the top of the floor? There is no support, because they notch the top part like that. Put the concrete and the tile. Your floor has to be like this. So before you renovate your bathroom, a 100 years old house, you need to understand what's below your floor, what's the process, what to make it right, and also what is the plumbing should look like when it's new, so you don't have a problem. If you have a plumbing looking like this, not good. It's not gonna be a good sign of you gonna have problems down the road. So, and also, last thing, before you renovate your bathroom, watch this. Have a render will make a tremendously change the way you see the project. Also, you can have a clear expectation and see if this is what you picture and you love really. And watch this also. Detailed budget from start to finish. How much things cost. What's your selections? Where the bathroom, how long it's gonna take? What steps? What's waterproofing? So, I hope this is helpful. Take care.